Hi guys, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative. I am just giving you a quick, almost a vlog update of what's happening at Uniquely Creative. I am videoing this today in our new warehouse. So I just want to give you some an idea of things that have been going on behind the scenes for us over the last few months. I've been wanting to do this video for so long, but it just hasn't happened, and I just want to kind of catch up on what's happening. So the first thing is we are getting a new warehouse. So I'm going to very quickly show you the warehouse. I'm sitting what will be at my new desk. I'm very excited, and I'll just quickly give you a spin around. So these are the windows down the back of the warehouse, which will have our offices, and this is our awesome view. So much better than what we have now. And then we don't have a door yet. We do not have concrete yet, but I do see a little Pearl coming. There she is. Hi, this is Pearl. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
How old are you now, Pearl?
4.
She's 4. And do you go to kindy now?
Yes.
Yes, she does. Okay, can you go over there and play while I finish my update? Thank you. Alright, so what does a new warehouse mean for you guys? It means that we are going to be more efficient. We're going to know exactly where all our stuff is. We'll have so much more room, which means we can actually increase the value of our kits. So efficiencies mean more products in the kits for you. Next thing in my list is we're getting a new website. Brand new website. We're in the middle of having that built and building it ourselves. A bit of combination there right now. And the new website is going to mean a whole bunch of things for you. First of all, it's going to be easy to find stuff, easy to navigate. It's going to look more modern and more fresh, but you'll be able to find your way around much easier with all of our products on there. Yes, Pearl? You've got your sunnies, great work. Okay, next is we're going to have a more automated system for all of our subscribers. So when you subscribe, you automatically get your credit card charged, and then it will get charged automatically on the month. If your credit card's going to expire, it will automatically tell you that. Much more automated systems, and it will save Trudy so much time, because Trudy spends a lot of time at the moment chasing those things up. So automation for our subscribers is going to be amazing. We are going to have a new affiliate program. So if you are in the industry and you are using our products and you're using them on your blog, you'll be able to link that back to our website. And if people purchase from our website, awesome. If people purchase from our website, you will get some money back for that. So a great new affiliate program coming. Can't wait to share more about that with you guys. And of course, new website, one of the major reasons we're doing this is to have the ability for tracking on all of our parcels. So this is a really big thing for us. At the moment, we can't track our smaller envelopes and our smaller parcels. Help. Kelly, I need you to go sit over there just quietly for a few more minutes. I've got a couple more things to tell these lovely people about, okay? And I love your glasses, by the way. Okay, so we've just signed a new contract with a new courier. We will be just using Australia Post moving forward. We won't be using Fastway anymore. And that also means so much better for you guys. I don't know if you ever order anything and it's come via Australia Post. The second the guy comes and picks that up from our warehouse, it's scanned in the system, you get an email. The next time it's scanned in the system, wherever its destination is, you get an email. You get to choose whether you want to have it left at your house, whether you want to have it signed for, whether you want to have it signed for, or everything moving forward. It is going to be so much better. Everything will be trackable. You won't need to ring us. You'll be able to just follow it straight away on the Australia Post website. So we're really excited about that. So that will be happening in the next month or so as well. So again, new courier contract, new website, new warehouse, and the last thing we're just have finished organising and signing new contracts on is a new production printer. Want to say hi one more time? Hi. So we have a new production printer. We do have a production printer now, which we use to produce our magazines on, but we have now just signed up for the latest state-of-the-art production printer, so our magazines are going to look even better. And it will actually give us more opportunity to do more printing and things in-house, which I can't tell you about now, but it is going to be very exciting what we have coming up in the second half of this year. So we have got so much stuff coming on. We need to finish building this warehouse, fitting it out, moving into this warehouse, finish building our website, getting our new contract happening, learning all new systems, and all that happening. We need that all to happen in the first half of this year, because the second half of this year we're traveling a lot. We are heading to New Zealand for Sens in July, and we have just negotiated some fabulous new prices to New Zealand. So you guys will be able to get your kits for as low as $14 postage, which is amazing because it used to be $30, so that's half. So we have got some great things coming for New Zealand. We cannot wait to share our products and come over and see you guys. We will be in Brisbane in June, and we will be in Melbourne in August. So we have got heaps happening. This is work mum life, people. It is real. Thanks for listening to me, everybody. I just wanted to update you on what's happening, and we're actually having a week off, aren't we, Pearl? I'm officially on holidays as of tomorrow, and I'm taking a week off, but all the girls are going to be there, and I will see you when we get back. Thanks for watching. Bye.